Good day everyone! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to discuss different topics in mathematics. Our lesson for today is writing linear equations of the form ax plus by equals c in the form y equals mx plus b and vice versa. Ax plus by equals c is the standard form of an equation. Example, 4x plus 5y equals 1. In the given example, our a is equal to 4, our b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 1. Y equals mx plus b is the slope-intercept form of an equation, where m is the slope and b is y-intercept. Example, y equals 3x plus 2. In the given example, our slope or m is equal to 3 and our y-intercept or b is equal to 2. Let us write ax plus by equals c to y equals mx plus b. So, ang ating standard form ay ax plus by equals c. So, gagawin natin siyang isang slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So, first, we're going to use addition property of equality. So, kukunin natin ang additive inverse ng variable x. So, ang additive inverse ng ax ay negative ax. So, pag sinabi nating addition property of equality, kung ano ang i-add natin sa left side ng ating equation, yun din ang i-add natin sa right side ng ating equation. So, from this, ax plus by equals c, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng negative ax plus by equals, mag-a-add din tayo dito ng negative ax plus c. So, in both side of our equation, meron tayong inadd na negative ax. And then, since we have here negative ax plus ax, so pwede na nating makancel ngayon ito. So, ano na lang ang matitira? So, we now have here by equals negative ax plus c. Next, as you can see, sa katabi ng ating y ay meron tayong b. So, we have to cancel this b by means of multiplication property of equality. So, ano ang imumultiply natin? We're going to multiply 1 over b. So, multiply 1 over b in both sides of the equation. So, we now have by over b equals negative ax over b plus c over b. So, multiplying 1 over b in the equation is the same as dividing the whole equation by b. Okay, so we can now cancel. By divided by b is now equal to y. And then equals negative ax over b plus c over b. Next, we're going to let m be equal to negative a over b and let b equals c over b. So now, we now have y equals, ang negative a over b natin ay papalitan natin ng m. So magiging mx plus c over b will be substituted by b. So, nakuha na natin ngayon ang ating slope-intercept form na y equals mx plus b. Again, m is the slope and b is our y-intercept. So, after natin ma-derive yung formula, let us try to answer this one. Write the linear equation ax plus by equals c in the form y equals mx plus b. Determine the slope and y-intercept. Okay, so our given is 6x plus 2y equals 4. So what form is this? So this is a standard form. Gagawin natin siyang slope-intercept form. For our solution, again, so we have here the standard form 6x plus 2y equals 4. So use APE. So again, APE stands for addition property of equality. And ano ang i-add natin? So tingin tayo sa x, get the additive inverse of 6x, and that is equal to negative 6x. So next, negative 6x plus 6x plus 2y equals negative 6x plus 4. So nag-add tayo ng negative 6x sa magkaparehong side ng ating equation. Next, we're now going to cancel negative 6x plus 6x. So this will be canceled out. Ang may iwan ay 2y equals negative 6x plus 4. Next, since meron pang 2 sa tabi ng y, we're going to use multiplication property of equality. So ano naman ang imumultiply natin? So we're going to multiply 1 over 2 para makancel yung 2 sa tabi ng y. Okay? So that would be 2y over 2 equals negative 6x over 2 plus 4 over 2. So let us simplify. 2y over 2. So cancel natin ng 2. Anong matitira? That is equal to y. So the quotient is y equals negative 6x divided by 2. We have negative 3x plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So we now get the slope-intercept form, which is y equals negative 3x plus 2. So what is the slope? We have to determine the slope. The slope is equal to negative 3. So yun yung katabi ng x. So we have here negative 3. And then b, or our y-intercept, is equal to 2. Another example. So given here is the standard form 3x minus 5y equals 2. So again, for our solution, let us write the standard form and then use addition property of equality. So ano ang kailangan nating i-add sa equation? Additive inverse of 3x is negative 3x. So add negative 3x on both sides of the equation. So we now have negative 3x plus 3x minus 5y equals negative 3x plus 2. And then, simplify natin. Negative 3x will be cancelled out and positive 3x. So the remaining term is negative 5y equals negative 3x plus 2. Next, since meron pa tayong coefficient in our variable y, we are going to use the multiplication property of equality. And then, so ano ang i-multiply natin? So the equation will be multiplied by negative 1 over 5. So that would become negative 5y over negative 5 equals negative 3x over negative 5 plus 2 over negative 5. Next, cancel na natin. Negative 5y divided by negative 5. So the quotient is y equals negative 3x over negative 5 is equal to 3 over 5x. And then 2 over negative 5 is equal to negative 2 over 5. Take note, kapag nag-divide ng dalawang negative, the answer will be positive. Kaya ang ating 3 over 5 ay naging positive. Kapag naman nag-divide ng isang positive at isang negative, the answer will be negative. So that's why we have here negative 2 over 5. So this is now our slope-intercept form, which is y equals 3 over 5x minus 2 over 5. Getting the slope, we have here 3 over 5 and y-intercept, which is negative 2 over 5. For our next example, write the linear equation y equals mx plus b in the form ax plus by equals c. So, ang given naman natin ngayon ay isang slope-intercept form. So, y equals 7x plus 4. Gagawin natin siya ngayong standard form. So, first, for our solution, let us consider again addition property of equality. So, as you can see, sa ating standard equation, kailangang ang variable x ay nasa unahan ng ating equation. So, we have to get again the additive inverse of 7x. So, that is equal to negative 7x. So, we're going to add negative 7x in both sides of our equation. So, that would become negative 7x plus y equals 7x plus negative 7x and then copy plus 4. So, next, simplify our equation. We now have negative 7x plus y equals 4. So, bakit ito na lang yung natira? Because we're going to cancel out 7x plus negative 7x. So, that would become, that would be equal to 0. Kaya 4 na lang yung ating naiwan sa right hand ng ating equation. Next, use multiplication property of equality. So, we have here negative 1. So, bakit negative 1? Since ang ating x ay negative, we're going to change this into positive term. So, para maging positive, we're going to multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So, let us multiply. Negative 1 times negative 7x will result to positive 7x. Negative 1 times y is equal to negative y equals negative 1 times 4 equals negative 4. So, as you can see, this is already written in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. So, what is the value of our a? So, a is equal to 7, b is equal to negative 1, and c is equal to negative 4. Okay, next example. Y equals negative 3 over 4x minus 1. So, this is also written in slope-intercept form. So, gagawin din natin siyang standard form. But as you can see, meron tayong fraction which is negative 3 over 4. So, para maalis natin yung fraction, we're going to use multiplication property of equality. So, ano ang imumultiply natin? So, we're going to multiply the LCD of our fraction. And the LCD is 4. So, multiply the whole equation by 4. So, that would be 4 times y equals 4y equals, so 4 times negative 3 over 4x. So, makakancel na natin yung 4. Kaya matitira na lang is negative 3x. And then, 4 times negative 1 equals negative 4. So, as you can see, ang nasa unahan pa rin natin ay variable y. Kailangan natin ilipat o kailangan natin magkaroon ng variable x dito sa unahan ng ating y. So, use again the addition property of equality and get the additive inverse of negative 3x. So, the additive inverse is 3x. So, add natin yung positive 3x sa both sides of our equation. So, that would become 3x plus 4y equals negative 3x plus 3x minus 4. And then, let us simplify. 3x plus 4y equals negative 3x plus 3x will be cancelled out. So, the remaining term is equal to negative 4. So, our standard form now is 3x plus 4y equals negative 4. So, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to negative 4. And that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye!